Hey hikers and travelers, ready to test your travel and hiking smarts? First one, let's go. Which mountain is the highest in the world? Mount Everest. Second one, what is the longest hiking trail in the world? Great Himalayan Trail. Third one, which of the following is an essential item for hiking? Water bottle. Fourth one, which national park is famous for the Narrows hike? Zion. Fifth one, what is the primary purpose of trekking poles? To help with balance. If you got the first 5 right, like this video and share it with your friends. Last one, which continent is home to the Inca Trail? South America.